Picture-perfect 5-bedroom, 4 full-bath Victorian. The wrap-around porch welcomes you and leads you into the gracious entry foyer. Formal living and dining rooms with hardwood floors flank either side of the foyer. Corian counters highlight the kitchen with large center cooking island and sunny and bright eat-in area. The family room just off the kitchen features a propane fireplace and provides lovely views of the backyard and pool. A screened porch off of the main level den is the perfect place to spend some downtime after a long day. Potential for first floor bedroom. The master suite offers 2 walk-in closets and private bath with walk-in shower and soaking tub. The bedrooms are large. A huge hall bath on the bedroom level features 2 walk-in showers. The large bonus room over the garage is perfect for an at-home office or homeschooling. Bedroom level laundry. The finished lower level features a rec room, craft or hobby room, full bath, wet bar, an in-home gym and plenty of room for fun and games. New carpeting on the first and second level. The outdoor oasis is the perfect place to get away. Sparkling inground, saltwater pool with plenty of patio areas for outdoor entertaining. Lush, beautiful grounds with mature plantings provide a serene setting that backs to the Corian environmental study area for the utmost in privacy. Water access on the Chesapeake Bay. This home is one of a kind.